Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and I'm on the social team here at John Paul Mitchell Systems, and today I'm going to show you all how I went from sleek and straight to this really fun curly half up half down look using my Neuro Guide Curling Wand. So step one, I always have to go in with my Neuro Protect. Always have to make sure you protect your hair against heat damage, so I love this heat protectant to ensure that I protect myself. So I'm just going to give myself a little spritz spray. And then I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell paddle brush and just brush through my hair to ensure I don't have any tangles and just to smooth everything out before I begin styling. And now I'm just going to section off my hair to just ensure that I'm able to curl every single strand beautifully and perfectly. Now I'm going to take my Neuro Guide Curling Wand and I'm going to have the heat setting at 390 degrees. I think that this is really good for this specific tool. And as you can see, this tool has teeth, so it makes it a bit easier for you to have a little bit more control over the curl. So you'll see that I'm just going to begin by wrapping my hair around the barrel. I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. And then this tool makes it super easy for you to release the curl into your hand, or you can release the curl straight down if you want a bit more of a loose wave. So I'm just going to continue that same method, wrapping my hair around the barrel, holding it for 10 seconds, and then using the tool to release the curl into my hand. And then I allow the curl to cool for about 10 seconds. This just allows the curl to set in place so that it lasts a little bit longer. Now for my favorite part, curling my bangs. So as you all probably already know, I like to curl my bangs inward just because I like the way that it frames my face. The size of this barrel makes it really easy for me to get the look that I want when I just want a really pretty loose wavy curl. And voila, you have a head full of really pretty loose curly waves. I'm so obsessed with the way that this look came out. You're more than welcome to leave the style as is, but today I'm going to add a little bit more sass and character, and I'm going to part my hair half up, half down using my claw clip. So I'm just going to gather my hair until I like the way that it looks. And then I'm going to secure the style in place with my claw clip. And just like that, you've taken your style from one look to another. It completely transforms the entire look, and I'm so obsessed with how this came out. So I'm just going to finish it off using my Paul Mitchell gloss drops. This is just going to add a little bit more extra shine and moisture to the completed look. And then of course I'm going to take my Neuro Finish, which is just a finishing spray to ensure that my style stays in place all day long. So I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check back every week for new videos and make sure that you also subscribe. Bye guys!